Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to MyPeople App. My name is Noor and I'm one of the developers. And this is a video that we made to get you started with the app and to introduce some of its functionality. So our main goal is to help you stay in touch with your family, with your friends while being away from them. Using the app, you can do several things. First of all, you can add people that you want to stay in touch with. You will get regular reminders to do it on time. You can keep track of your progress of how well you are doing. And in addition to that, you will also get some content to get inspiration and also to get tips on how to stay in touch in the best way possible. Let's have a look on the app itself. So here is the main screen for me. As you can see, I've already added some people in different categories, in family, relatives, friends, network. In family, I have my parents, and the app is telling me that it's time to get in touch with my mom. Luckily, I've called her about an hour ago, so I can report that I've done it, and you can see my stats improve straight away. Obviously, when you install the app, you will have empty screen, so you will need to add people first. Let's see how to do it. You press add in the bottom of the screen, and this is what you see. We will enter the name of the person first, so Nur Sultan, and I'll put him to friends category. I'll choose how often I want to keep in touch with him, and once in 2 weeks seems about right. I will also add his phone number from my contacts, okay? And I will keep WhatsApp as a preferred chat app. I press save. Okay. So here I've got Nur Sultan in my friends category, and he's marked as new. So one thing I can do, I can report that I've contacted him, or something that makes it even easier for me, I can go directly to the chat by pressing this message button. So here is the chat with Nur Sultan in WhatsApp. So I can say, hello, how are you? It's been a while. So, and I get the checkbox straight away that I've contacted him. This is how you add people, how you can keep track of them. And also, as I've mentioned earlier, you get some content that is there to inspire you and to give you some useful advice. So thank you for downloading the app. We really hope that it will be useful to you and that it will help you to stay in touch with your loved ones, with significant people in your life on a regular basis. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.